This video is made about 1 o'clock in the afternoon on Tuesday, August 21st. And the reason I made it was to test the stability of the aircraft in high winds. The winds were gusting up to 20 miles an hour. So I figured, well, better no time better than the present. So it's a very brief flight. I flew from in front of the barn as usual out to the end of the field and back, and I was quite satisfied with the stability of the drone. I could see from time to time that it was dipping, but the camera was able to maintain a good stable horizon. What really caused me more trouble than anything were the clouds passing over. We have another storm coming in later this afternoon, and so it was as clouds would come over, the automatic exposure would get lighter or darker suddenly. And I thought, well, maybe I should go higher, so I did, and that saves some of the problem. But you can see how dense the shadows of the clouds are, how dark they are. So anyway, at this point I'm returning home, which is still at about 300 feet. It seems to be a good altitude for that. And I was really pleasantly surprised to see that the drone maintained a good beeline for its launch pad. I failed to state that I am also flying in IOC mode. I had some trouble with that last night. It's also called course lock mode. And I was really pleased today to see that I had no trouble at all with the IOC, because last night it was doing exactly the reverse. I would be pushing the right joystick forward and the craft would go backward. So everything was like a mirror version of what it should have been. And the whole video that I posted on the yesterday on the trip back to the water way, the west side of the farm waterway, was made with the IOC going everything in reverse of what it should have been. So the IOC is supposed to set itself so that the right stick will maintain the same orientation that it had when it launched. So maybe there was something wrong with the way I launched. I don't know. Anyway, this is the end of the trip, and I was again I was very pleased with both the way the IOC worked and the way that the craft was able to maintain stability in the air with no danger to surrounding objects as I approached for landing. So thanks for watching this boring video.